Starting a YouTube channel in 2026 may feel scary, especially when you see millions of creators already online. You might think the market is saturated, or that YouTube only promotes old, famous channels. But the truth is very different. YouTube in 2026 is not about who started first. It is about who understands the system better. Today, I will explain step by step, in very simple words, how you can start a YouTube channel in 2026, what you must do, and what mistakes you must avoid, so your effort is not wasted. First, understand one very important truth. YouTube is not social media. It is a search engine plus recommendation system. People do not open YouTube only to scroll. They come to learn something, solve a problem, understand something, feel entertained. If your video helps the viewer in any one of these, YouTube will push it, even if your channel is new. Can a new channel grow in 2026? Yes. Absolutely yes. You do not need many subscribers, expensive camera, famous face. You only need clarity plus consistency plus correct strategy. YouTube first tests your video on small audience. If people watch it longer, YouTube shows it to more people. Subscribers come after views, not before. Step 1. Choose one clear niche. This is where most people fail. A niche means one topic, one type of audience, one main problem. For example, human body facts, health awareness, psychology, education, finance. If your channel talks about everything, YouTube understands nothing. In 2026, YouTube prefers focused channels, not random content. Step 2. Understand your viewer deeply. Do not think, what video do I want to make? Think, what problem does my viewer have? Every successful channel solves confusion, fear, curiosity, pain. When you speak in videos, imagine one person, not a crowd. Use simple language. Explain like you are talking to a friend. Step 3. Content planning. What to upload. Do not upload randomly. In 2026, YouTube favors planned content. Your content should have educational value, emotional connection, clear message. Avoid copying viral videos blindly. Instead, improve them. Explain better, simplify more, add clarity. Step 4. Long videos versus shorts. Shorts are discovery tools. Long videos build trust and authority. Best strategy. Shorts for reach. Long videos for loyalty. Do not depend on shorts alone. Shorts bring views. Long videos build channels. Step 5. Script matters more than camera. In 2026, people do not leave videos because of low quality. They leave because boring start, confusing explanation, slow pacing. Your script should explain one idea at a time, repeat important points differently, give examples. Never assume the viewer knows basics. Step 6. Thumbnails and titles, first impression. People do not click videos. They click thumbnails plus titles. A good thumbnail shows emotion, asks a question, creates curiosity. Avoid long sentences, too many colors, unclear images. One idea equals one thumbnail. Step 7. Upload schedule and consistency. Do not upload daily if you cannot. Consistency means same topic, same style, same frequency. 2 quality videos per week are better than 10 random ones. Step 8. What not to do. Very important. Avoid these mistakes. Buying subscribers. Comparing with big creators. Changing niche frequently. Copy-pasting content. Expecting viral success fast. Growth on YouTube is slow, then sudden. Step 9. Algorithm reality in 2026. YouTube cares about watch time, viewer satisfaction, retention. Not likes. Not comments. Not subscribers. If people stay, YouTube stays. Step 10. Mindset of a successful creator. Treat YouTube like a skill, a long-term project. Not like lottery, quick money. Every video is practice. Every mistake teaches you something. Final message. This is the summary, don't skip it. As we move into 2026, it is very important to understand one simple truth about YouTube. YouTube is no longer a place where the loudest or flashiest creator always wins. Instead, YouTube now rewards creators who are clear, helpful, and honest with their audience. In 2026, YouTube rewards clarity over creativity. This does not mean creativity is bad. It means creativity without clarity confuses people. If a viewer does not understand what your video is about within the first few moments, they leave. But when your message is clear, even a simple video can perform better than a highly edited one. People do not come to YouTube to admire effects. They come to understand something. YouTube also rewards explanation over excitement. Many new creators try to sound excited, loud, or dramatic. But excitement without explanation does not last. Viewers may click once, but they will not stay or return. When you explain things slowly, clearly, and step by step, people feel respected. They feel like you are actually trying to help them, not just grab their attention. Another important shift is that YouTube now rewards value over vanity. Vanity is about views, likes, numbers, and fame. Value is about usefulness. When your video solves a real problem, answers a real question, or clears confusion, it creates value. And value builds trust. Trust is what turns a viewer into a subscriber. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to help everyone. But growth does not start that way. Real growth begins when you focus on helping one person clearly. Imagine you are speaking to just one viewer who is confused, scared, or curious. If that person understands you and feels helped, YouTube notices this. And when YouTube sees that people stay, listen, and benefit from your content, it shares your video with more people. This is how small channels grow into big ones. Not by chasing millions, but by caring about one. Finally, remember this. You do not need to be perfect to start. Waiting for perfection only creates delay and fear. Every successful creator started with imperfect videos, imperfect voices, and imperfect confidence. What made the difference was seriousness, not perfection. So start imperfectly, make mistakes, learn slowly, improve step by step, but start seriously. Because when you take YouTube seriously, YouTube eventually takes you seriously too.